Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to utilize Canva's accessibility features for inclusive design. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I have done right here. And the next thing is hopping into the task for today. So how to utilize Canva's accessibility feature? First of, how do we find it? And next is how can we utilize it? So you have to head over to the editor, or what I'll call the editing suite, which is the Canva editor. Okay, so once you get right into it, then I'm just going to show you how you can use the accessibility feature for inclusive design. So the first I'd like you to know is, or the next thing I'd like you to know is the essence of the accessibility features. All right, so the accessibility features actually facilitate inclusive experience. So those people who are um, who have vision impairments, or those people who are, you know, disabled in one way or the other, blind. All right, so all of these categories of people can easily understand and interpret your design whenever you use the accessibility feature. So here's where to find it. At the top corner of your screen, top corner, we're going to find file. So just click that file, and here you have an extended menu. Okay, so go ahead and click on view settings. All right, so this shows more extended menu. All right, so here you have add guides, show margins, show print bleed, video playback quality, and check design accessibility. Now this is the design we're working with. Okay, so let's head over to check design accessibility. So here it says typography. It means the text is just perfect. Anybody with any disability, learning disability issue, or just what kind of disability, can definitely see the text in this picture, even if it does not have a text. So if it actually has a text problem, let's say it is too small, they're definitely going to let you know right here, and you'll be able to change it. But now I can't change it because it's already green and good. Now, color contrast. You don't want your design to be too bright for them to see, or too dim for them to see as well. So the color contrast in the design is perfect, and any one of them can, easily interpret this. But then we have alternative text, that's the ALT text. We have three issues. So if you click on that, let's see. All right, so the ALT text actually interpretation. It aids interpretation of the design. So with the ALT text or the alt text, they get to see what the design is about, even without looking neck deep into the design, especially for those who find it difficult to see. So for this, it says no alt text, actually yes. So if you want to add, you can click on add alt text, and right here I'm just going to say suggest for me, so that I can see what they're just suggesting. Of course, it has to be within 250 words. Okay, an older couple embracing in the sun. So right here, when it comes to this design, they'll be able to see this. So if you want to mark as decorative, it means the content is purely for decoration and doesn't need an alt text. But then if we're using this alt text option, just go ahead and click on save, and you see that that's going to be saved. So when this design is open, all right, they will definitely find the alt text, and they'll be able to interpret it. So for here, they're actually saying you need to fix this. You need to add more alt text to enhance readability. So add all of this and just allow them to clear your design for you. So go and click on suggest with me. So here you have a banner that says, or an on-screen information that says, be descriptive and add context to keep your alt text clear for people who use screen readers. Now avoid emojis and try not to start with this is an image of, to keep it short. So I'm just going to click on suggest for me again, and just explore what they have offering. Okay, what they have to offer. All right, so this is a woman sitting on the grass with a picnic basket. That's a good description, thank you. And then I have this last one, which is for this last picture here. So I'm gonna click on suggest for me, and a person in an orange robe is standing on a blue background. Awesome. Yes, so everything is completed. I do not have any issues. All right, so that's pretty much how to use this alternative option or this accessibility feature right here in Canva for an inclusive design that can appeal to a wide array of people. Now you can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go.